Here is a quick MCQ, narration MCQ. First question, he said, I am busy. What will be the answer among this? He said that he is busy. He said that he was busy. He says that he was busy. He said that he had been busy. Guess what will be the answer? Am is there. So it will be changed to past tense, simple past. Was. I told you in the previous video that I changes according to the speaker, I and we. So the correct answer will be this, B. He said that he was busy. Is, this is wrong because is there. Tense has not been changed. Then here said is the reporting verb is in the past tense. Here it has become present tense. It doesn't happen. Okay. And had been. Had been will never be placed here because the main tense is present and it will be changed to simple past. Okay. Let's move to the next question. He said to me, where does she live? Now the question starts with WH. Okay. सो आंसर में भी हम लोग WH वही WH वर्ड लिखेंगे. फिर हम लोग डज जो है ये बस मैंने बोला क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए यूज़ हुआ है ना, तो हम लोग को ये दिखा रहा है कि इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि ये कौन सा टेंस है. तो डज है मतलब प्रेजेंट, डज और डू. ओके. देन शी लीव. शी इज़ थर्ड पर्सन. आई टोल्ड यू इफ शी ही दे दिस प्रोनाउंस आर देयर नो चेंज विल अकर. ओके. सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? I hope you have guessed the correct answer. That is A. She asked me where she will remain, she lived. Okay. Said to will become asked because it's a question. Okay. Did I leave will be wrong. I told you does or do doesn't change to did if it is used for asking a question. Okay. Do will not be correct. Am leaving ये भी ठीक नहीं है. Okay. Next, the teacher said honest. So here honesty is the best policy, as you know, or I told you in the previous video that we talk about universal truth, facts, habitual truth. We do not change the tense of the verb in the indirect speech. So ये क्या होगा? Was तो होगा ही नहीं. Okay, कोई change नहीं होगा. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. This will be the answer. Told नहीं होगा क्योंकि सेड अगर है सिर्फ सेड तो हम लोग सेड ही रखते उसे. ओके. हम लोग टोल्ड नहीं बनाते. एंड हैड बीन तो आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन है, होगा ही नहीं. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. ओके. राहुल सेड टू हिज फ्रेंड प्लीज़ हेल्प मी. राहुल सेड टू हिज फ्रेंड प्लीज़ हेल्प मी. प्लीज़ इज देयर सो इट विल बी रिक्वेस्टेड. सेड टू की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? रिक्वेस्टेड. एंड देन इम्पेरेटिव है ना, इम्पेरेटिव में या तो टू लगता है प्रेजेंट में, सॉरी पॉजिटिव में, नेगेटिव में नॉट टू. तो ये पॉजिटिव है. सो राहुल रिक्वेस्टेड हिज फ्रेंड टू हेल्प हिम. दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ए. ऑर्डर तो होगा ही नहीं, टोल्ड भी नहीं होगा, प्लीज़ है तो रिक्वेस्ट ही लिखना पड़ेगा. आस्क्ड हिज फ्रेंड दैट हेल्प हिम. नो, नॉट पॉसिबल. ए इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, this is the last question. Mother said don't waste time. Okay, so don't waste time, this is also imperative and it's negative. So mother advised me not to waste time. This is the most appropriate. Now see, A number भी mother advised not to waste time. ठीक है, क्योंकि advice किया, किसी को किया है, I'll assume that मुझे ही किया होगा advice. So it's better to use me. Use an object here, a listener. किसको बोला है? Okay, mother said not waste time, completely wrong है. Requested wasting time, this is also grammatically, whereas the sentence formation is wrong. So the correct answer will be B number.